Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday's maths activity. Now, before we go any further, your first job this morning was to watch Number Blocks episode 16. So if you've watched it, brilliant, keep watching me. If you haven't, pause me, go and watch episode 16, and then come back. So make a decision. Are you staying? Do you need to go? Excellent. Hopefully now you're all back. That's because you've all watched Number Block episode 16, all about the number 16. We must make sure we say 16 with an n at the end of our number. Okay, now 16, do you know, the Number Blocks episode was fabulous, and it talked a lot about number 16 being what we call a square number. Now, a square number is a posh way for saying if you had 16 cubes or 16 blocks or 16 objects, you could arrange them into a perfect square with the same number of blocks going across and the same number of blocks going down. In fact, it would be 4 blocks going across and 4 blocks going down, and every row going across would have 4 in it. So that's why we call it a square number. But we're going to move on from looking at it as a square number today. And on my board, I've very quickly drawn a tens frame. In fact, I've drawn 2 tens frames, 1 and 2. 2 tens frames on my board. And what we're going to have a go at doing today is we're going to see if we can fill in my 2 tens frames to make the number 16. Now, why do you think I need 2 and not 1? Pause the video for a second and tell an adult, why do you think for the number 16 I need 2 tens frames and not just 1? Pause me, have a go. Okay, I wonder, what did you say? Why do we need 2 tens frames? Shout it at me. Yeah, because the number 16 is bigger than 10. So 16 wouldn't fit on just 1 tens frame. Now, my first job this morning is going to see if I can colour in the right squares to get to number 16. Do you think you'll be able to count with me? I'm not going to colour them in perfectly, but what you guys could at home do is make your own tens frames and see if you can show me 16 so that I know that you've built it as well. So let's see if you can help me first. Are you ready? We're going to count to 16 together, and I'm going to colour in 1 box as we say each number. Are you ready? 1, 2, what comes after 2? 3. 1 more than 3 is 4. Oh, 1 more than 4 is 5. Oh, well, I've got to 5, but I'm not at 16 yet. Oh, what comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, look at that. I think we already knew that if I colour in all of the squares in a tens frame, I will get to 10. So there's 10. Let me just write the number 10 down here so I remember I've used 10 squares. But let's see if we can carry on counting from 10 all the way up to 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What comes after 14, children? 15. And what's 1 more than 15? 16. There we go. Look, we managed it. We got to 16. Let's have a look. On my first tens frame, I used all 10 squares. How many squares did I need? In the second tens frame, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6. So tell me, children, I wonder who can tell me what numbers do I need to make the number 16? I need, let's have a look. A 10, I need 1 10. And I need to add to it the number 6. That's right, it's 6 extra ones. 10 add 6 equals, now how do we write 16? Now it's a teen number. I need 1 10 because I've got 1 whole 10. And I need a 6 for my 6 ones. 16. A 1 and a 6 makes a 16. 1 10, 6 ones. Can you say that? 1 10, 6 ones make 16. Well done, everybody. Now, I've got, hopefully, children, I've got 16 cubes. Will you count them with me? It's a very big tower. I hope it doesn't break. Are you ready? 1, 2, count along. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Look, it's a very wibbly-wobbly tower, but it is 16 cubes. Now, your challenge today, children, is going to be thinking about what the number 16 did right at the end of the Number Blocks episode, where he kept putting himself into halves. So I wonder, I want to split my number 16 into halves. That means I need 2 groups. But if I'm going in half, I must make sure my groups are equal and the same size. So I'm going to break a bit off. Let's see. See if my towers are the same. Is that equal and fair? No, it's not, is it? So I know this isn't half yet. I wonder if I take one off the top of the tall one and pop it onto here. Aha! Children, do I have 2 equal size groups now? Have a look. Yeah, I do. Look at that. Let's see if we can count how many cubes are in each of my groups. Are you ready? So now I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I've got 8 in that group. Did you count with me? See if you can see if we've got 8 in this group too. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got an 8 and I've got another 8. And together, what do they make? 16. So look at that straight away. I've got a calculation. I now know that 8 add 8 equals 16. Oh, that was fabulous. By splitting my number 16 into half, I found that 8 add 8 joined together again to make 16. Double 8 is 16. Half of 16, when we split it into 2 groups, is 8. 8 add 8 is 16. Okay, I wonder, I'm going to take my number 8. I wonder if I can turn my number 8. I'm going to halve my number 8. Halve. Oh, 2 groups. Let's see. Can I do it? Let's see if I've done it. Oh, have I done it first time, children? Are they perfectly equal? I have. But now I've got, oh, look, I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and another 8 still. What do you think I need to do to this 8 to make them all equal? I've halved these 8s and turned them into 4s. I'll halve this one as well. Ooh, there we go. Oh, look! Have I made equal groups? Let's have a look. Are they all equal? Yes, I have. And what does each group have in it? Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look! So now I've got another calculation. I now know that 4 add 4 add 4 add 4 also equals, what is today's number? That's right, 16. Wowee. Now, your challenge today is to do that. So you might want to use cubes or blocks or pasta shells or anything you like. You need 16 objects. And your first job is to split them into 2 groups to see if you can check that 8 add 8 is 16, and then see if you can split your 8s like I did into halves as well, and see what other calculations you can make to make 16. So I've got my 8s back again now. Then I split them into my 4s, didn't I? I wonder what would happen if I split the 4s into half. What calculation do you think I would end up with then? How many times can we split our blocks into half into the same equal sizes all the way along with all of our cubes until we get to 16 and find out what calculations you can make? Oh, I can't wait to see what you get up to today, children. See how many calculations you can make to show me the number 16 by splitting your blocks into 2 groups each time. Every time you make a new block, split it into half again, then half again, then half again. See how many calculations you can make. All the answer, the number 16. See if you can do it for me today. I think you can. Have a wonderful day, children. Take care. Bye-bye.